Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with RescueTime for productivity reporting insights, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the RescueTime website. Look for the sign up button on the homepage. Click on the sign up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address. Create a strong password for your account. Re-enter the password to confirm. Choose your preferred plan. You can select the free version or a premium plan. Click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email. Go to your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from RescueTime. Click the link in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the RescueTime website. Log in using your email address and the password you created. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to set up the application. Download the RescueTime application for your device. Follow the installation instructions specific to your operating system. After installation, open the application. Sign in with your RescueTime account credentials. Customize your settings based on your productivity goals. Set goals for how you want to use your time effectively. Once you finish the setup, allow RescueTime to track your productivity. You may adjust the tracking preferences to your liking. Regularly check your RescueTime dashboard for insights. Review your productivity reports to identify trends. Use the insights to improve your time management skills. Refine your goals as you continue using the application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.